in Richmond, where it's currently 10:46 p.m. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off and keep the aisle clear of all items. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and surrounding area to ensure you have all your belongings, like cell phones, tablets, or chargers. To help keep our cabin clean, we ask that you please take any remaining items with you and place them in a trash bin once you exit the aircraft. When you open the overhead compartment, please be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone as we make our way to the gate, and we will be arriving at gate A6, Alpha 6. We know you have a choice in airlines, so whether you're staying in Richmond or passing through, on behalf of American Airlines, our oneworld partners, and your Philadelphia-based flight crew, we thank you for choosing American Airlines to be part of your journey. Have a good night and stay